A lot of the buyers are trying to time the market right now, but is it a really good strategy? My advice is this: if you are ready and able to buy, it's better to focus on the time on the market and not timing the market. Let me explain. A recent survey over 100 industry experts showed that the home prices are expected to climb up at least the next 5 years. To give that context, here's what typically home would grow in value based on those projections. If you bought a home for $400,000 in January this year, you can gain roughly about $83,000 in home equity by 2028. That's not a small number. So sure, you could try to time the market and put your move on hold until the right moment, but that's really hard to do. And while you wait, you'll be missing out on gaining significant amount of equity. So if you are looking to buy, let's set up a buyer's consultation. Give me a call, 773-550-4846. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I serve the Chicagoland and suburbs. And if you like this educational video, don't forget to follow us.